Finally, it's here. Which floor?
6.
So you must be really hungry, huh?
I am.
I'm coming to your rescue.
I'm already moody.
You're never moody, Sunday. Just a bit grumpy.
Thank you.
Lead the way, please.
Roof. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow, that looks good. I love the view.
From here. Cozy breakfast today. Not so much variety. From what you're used to. What do we have here? Okay, we have some sausages and all. The eggs. And what else? Oh, I will go for this one, the cheese. Yeah, the sucuk, right?
Yeah, sucuk.
Okay.
Select Turkish cheese. You see that? That's I think mozzarella.
Yeah. Do we have enough items to satiate you?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Good. Bon appetit, hon.
Bon appetit.
So what do you have?
Scrambled eggs, sucuk, cheese, grilled cheese, and something fried. I don't know, it's sweet or not.
It looks sour.
Yeah.
Something to do with cheese,
But
right?
it's not that. It looks really delicious, but it's not that good.
Uh-huh.
And you?
Standard stuff. Sucuk, olives, a lot of cheese. I'm having cravings for fatty stuff.
Surprisingly, our breakfast is really fatty. Isn't it?
Yeah. And the bread, it's not that fresh. How was the experience last night, Nasaka? What's your take on the hotel?
Tiny. Our room is really tiny. You can't even move properly.
Yesterday we used the word cozy, and now it's tiny.
It's really tiny. You will first recognize it when you are moving around the room. For just, I was drying my hair tomorrow. It was really hard for me to find a space where I can dry my hair properly or changing your clothes.
Hardly enough space,
Yeah,
even for two people.
even for one person, I think it's too tiny.
You bump into the furniture and all, the bed. And today while taking a shower, I wanted to close the door to avoid, of course, spilling of water outside. But then the shower area wasn't closing, so just funny. And the wash basin, it's small. It is small.
It's just for washing your hands.
Yeah, my wife already warned me not to use that because I'm gonna be spilling the water all over. So, and very odd, the room temperature.
Oh, the room temperature in the morning, it was I think after 7 a.m. It was really getting warmer and warmer.
And by the end it was 32 degrees. I guess it was time to wake up. And check out the view, Masafir. So beautiful. I've got the Bosphorus, Hagia Sophia, right on that side. And the other big mosque over there on that side?
Yeah, there are more than one mosque. I can see 3. You are looking like really relaxed on holidays.
I thought you were gonna say I'm in a hurry.
No, I have no hurry.
Hurry to finish my food.
No, we have all day, long time to enjoy Istanbul, to discover Istanbul. Let's see.
So what's the plan for today?
Unfortunately, it's raining.
Are you implying that the rain is gonna stop you?
No, it's not.
But I agree, it could be better. Done with the nice breakfast. Time to hit the road. Put some steps in. Go out and about. Or be out and about. And be a little bit more active. They have done a nice job with these decorations, right?
Yeah. Of the lightning.
Yeah. But it's super cramped, super small. Only, what is it, 1.5 on 1 meter, 1 meter
I
wide.
think our measurement style is a little bit too funny, or?
I learned it from you today.
Here you go.
And ta-da! Oh, the room is done already.
Oh, they cleaned already. Wow, okay.
Very, very small. So, from cozy, we downgraded to small, huh?
To tiny.
How about if I measure the toilet as well?
Of our new measurement
With
style.
the new measurement style that I learned. Okay, let's do it like that. Okay, 1.3 meters.
Yeah, I don't think so. It's even 1 point meter.
I wasn't expecting this kind of a rain. Based on the weather forecast, it should have subsided by now. Clearly that didn't happen. I think it will be wise to take a taxi or an Uber.
Really?
But it's
With
also...
this traffic now,
That's what I
you're sitting more in the car than driving.
Yeah, but the weather... Okay. We give it a go then. We go to the Grand Bazaar.
Yes, we are walking.
Walk all the way there.
Yeah.
Are you
It's
sure,
just rain, you're not out of sugar.
No, I'm not. I'm not made out of sugar.
No.
But there is a technical issue though.
Right?
My shoes,
Yeah.
it has no profile.
And it's not waterproof.
Oh yeah, it's not.
So maybe we can also take the U-Bahn or the train.
The train station?
Let's take the train. It's only a difference between 5 minutes if you walk or take the public transportation.
Oh man, let's walk then.
So you can.
Yeah.
Shall we?
Let's walk.
Let's walk.
But on the other hand, the downside of walking too much with the same shoes.
But we can take the public transportation then because of your shoes. Then let's take that.
It's all good. It's all good.
T1.
It does get a bit slippery, so we don't want an accident.
We can go for the T1 for the train.
Okay,
T1.
let's go for it then.
Then let's go.
Let's go.
Down. So start
Walk where?
to Karaköy station,
Okay.
and
So
then we can take the train.
You lead the way then. At least. Now the shoes dried off a little bit, Masaka.
Yeah, now you can walk.
And now I can walk properly. Of course, it is quite dangerous.
It is.
Yeah.
I don't want you that you have broken leg. Excuse me, please. Can I? Thank you. Hi, I want to go to the Grand Bazaar to the.
Six station.
This one?
This one.
Ah,
Stop.
thank you. Yeah, it's the right station. It's 6 station on this way. Let's
Okay.
go.
Alright.
I will let you through. Go, go. But I paid.
Can you do it again?
No, it's not.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Hooray! Can you swipe for me as well, please? Ah, feels good. Get in, get in, get in. Get in. So it's very strange, huh?
Oh,
They don't take the contactless payments,
yeah.
and then you have to have the physical card.
The physical card you need is a
Yeah.
little bit strange, no?
That's what happened yesterday in the bus as well. Because
And he was not trying to use the card?
I had to give them euros and then they converted to Turkish lira for me.
Maybe it was
I
better
had to pay
to...
cash. Anyways, we made it. And how many stations do we?
6.
6 stations?
6 stations
Okay.
till the Bayut station, I think, called to
Okay.
the Grand Bazaar. Are you excited?
Yes. And the good thing is that it's indoors,
Yeah.
so we're not going to be drenched and all, especially for me. Walking and all would be much easier.
You see me, it's already wet.
Or maybe I should get a new pair of shoes.
Yeah, you should. Just
But
to
then that means I have to
walk
get rid of
safely.
these as we don't have enough luggage space.
No, but it's also old shoes, so...
I love that. Maybe next time I should go for those kind of cameras.
Yeah,
See
I think so.
the guy bearing over his head?
Yeah. He's recording everything what you can see. So, I think it's a really nice one for
That's another
the
level.
viewer.
Yeah.
Just to see what you are.
POV.
Beyazıt Kapalı Çarşı, Beyazıt Grand Bazaar.
Are we allowed to use this one?
Yeah, why not? Or do we have to use the green one? Do we have
Oh,
to check in and check out?
I don't know.
No, they're
That's a
just
good
leaving.
question. Okay, let's go, yeah.
You see?
Not needed. We don't want to be billed a hefty amount later on, right?
Not
It's okay,
every one
alright.
of them. They're not logging out. So it's
Nobody?
not like in London. In London, you have to log in and log out.
Yes.
Summits.
You want some fresh scimitar?
No, we had just breakfast.
The famous Grand Bazaar. So that's the entrance, huh?
Yeah. It's really.
And the reason that we decided to come on this day,
yeah.
it's a Saturday,
I
because on
think you
Sundays,
have to stay on the line, on the queue.
yeah, on Sundays it's closed, right? Which direction, hon?
You choose.
All right, let's go to the right.
Oh wow, that's huge. I like it.
It's
Huge.
the best part is indoors.
Yeah.
At least I can walk properly with
I think it's our indoor day.
stay put, stay indoors,
Yeah.
especially on a rainy day like this.
Stay dry, stay indoors.
So obviously it's not your first time that you have come to the Grand Bazaar and to Istanbul and all.
Really?
So
The last time it was closed or not?
no, but we managed to come to the Grand Bazaar.
Okay.
Yeah? You don't remember that?
No.
So I was gonna ask, do you have any advice and all, tips and all for the viewers? What to do, what not to do at the Grand Bazaar?
Oh, at the Grand Bazaar for sure, you have to discuss whatever you are buying, discuss about the price.
You mean bargain?
Bargain, yes.
Go aggressive.
Go really aggressive.
Okay. even the gentleman over here nodded. He agrees with us.
Yes, he's
He
agreeing with us. Yes.
So if I were the seller, and if I say maybe 1,000 for something,
Yes.
how much would you bargain for?
For 1,000, I would say 100 down.
I thought you were gonna start with 50.
No, 100 is okay.
Yeah? Ah. Are you already eyeing for something, huh?
Yes, I already have something for you to buy it for me, but only 22k gold.
I thought you were gonna go for one of those.
Okay, I will save you, and I'm not buying that huge one. So I have the feeling that we are like in Dubai at the gold souk. Because right and left we have only gold shops.
The good news is she had mercy on me, she said.
I had mercy on you, and I was not picking the biggest set. So
You mean the gold set, huh?
the gold set, yes. I choose only the small and really fine gold set.
That's why you're so lovely, hon.
But my hands are still empty. Where is my gold set?
We do it off the camera. Another advice to the viewers could be that whatever they see in Grand Bazaar, it's obviously 10 times more expensive
It is.
than what you would get outside. Just if you step outside the Grand Bazaar. Those stalls and all, they are not as attractive, but then the prices wise,
Yeah.
much more attractive.
Oh, we can give you guys a shot and show you through nuts, maybe for example, how expensive it is inside the Grand Bazaar, and just outside at the corner in the bazaar, the price difference is really huge. So don't make the mistake to buy it at the Grand Bazaar. Just have a look, but buy it later at outside of the bazaar.
What have you found out?
Oh, I'm trying to not destroy it. It's really heavy.
You had mercy on me on one thing, and then
Yeah.
let's not break anything else over here.
Okay. That's glass. It's really. That's why it's also heavy. Be careful.
So again, we are at the crossroads. Which direction, huh?
Are you seeing what I am seeing?
Yes. We are at an intersection. you
Yes,
choose which
one
way?
of it, but special because we are seeing all the cable chaos.
Huh?
Are you seeing all the cable chaos?
No,
That's wow!
no.
Look at that. Yeah.
It's a cable jungle.
And behind me also. But the special thing behind me is that there's no rooftop and it's raining and you have all these cables, electric cables. So look at that. See that?
Let's run away then.
Let's go.
So which direction? Straight?
Not on that direction for sure,
Oh.
but no. Let's have a
Let's be a bit more adventurous.
yes. Let's go and just take a shot. But take care, it's
Risky.
slippery.
Risky, but let's
Slippery.
take a shot. Okay.
You see that? Especially on the left shop.
Gold again, huh?
What does it mean again?
Let me choose something for you.
Yeah? But a little
The whole
bit big
bunch.
one. The whole bunch?
Yeah.
Really?
If you can read it in one go,
In one, but I think my arms are
it will be golden arm.
too short.
You see this thing, huh? I'm future-proofing myself.
Yeah. Future proving yourself.
Yes. If ever I get old, which I will, of course.
Snake design. Oh wow.
Look at this tiny little door here.
Oh. This shop is amazing. It looks already really fancy. Future
Let
proving
me
yourself.
pose.
Wow. Look all this too. And now, what kind
Let's-
of a stuff for your future are you having in mind now?
Forget about the future. Let's talk about the present. Shall
Are
we
you
get
already
something?
hungry again?
Shall we get something?
No, it's only cheese.
Let's
Go
check
ahead.
the
Oh, you want
prices
the
for this
juice?
book. No, they don't have any price list. Let's forget about it.
We are again at the Gold Street. You buy one more watch.
The guy was complaining that smartwatch business has killed
It's killing him.
his own business.
Hun,
Yeah.
I think this amount of gold is really worse than the Dubai gold souk. It's a lot of gold in one place.
I like the choice of words. Worse than Dubai. Welcome to the Silver Bazaar.
Yes, we have the information from one of the shop owners, and I say I like it. Really nice.
Silver or gold?
And I think I'm more.
A gold person?
Oh no, I think I like both, silver and gold. Sometimes I'm wearing only silver, and sometimes only gold. Today I am a gold girl.
Okay.
Hi.
You want to go for it?
It's really nice.
Alright.
But I found something for you.
Okay.
This one. This ring is for you. You should buy it.
When I get my walking stick,
The walking stick.
it
For-
complements so well.
Yeah, I think so. Especially on your left hand. And then walking like a gentleman.
This is nice.
That's really nice.
All the beads and all. If you were to get me one, which one would it be on?
I think a really
Just one.
colorful one.
Okay. To complement with my walking stick.
Your walking stick. I think this blue one, but and a little bit smaller, would look really nice because your walking stick is silver. That's a silver snake. So I think this color will be perfect. But let's go inside the shop. It's really nice. I like that.
wondering what would one put inside those, the other one, this one, as an example.
But you can't open this one. You can open
No, this is open.
this one.
This
You can-
four.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah,
What do
this
we put inside?
Put it the stone.
Stone, huh?
Ah. Look at that.
Beautiful sterling silver roll.
Okay.
Yeah.
Antique colors. This is without open. Typical RM design.
Ah.
Tassel. Sterling
How much is
silver.
this one?
Monsieur, this big one.
The big one.
Yeah.
Big one, Turkish lira.
Turkish lira. So it's around.
1,200.
Okay. Okay.
Look at that. There's something already inside of it. I'm just being careful to not lose it.
Okay.
See that?
Hope it's not so heavy.
I don't think so. It's heavy. No, it's not heavy.
This is just copper.
Okay.
Wow. Looks good.
A nice little cafe here.
What
You
are
see
you
the
looking
price
at?
The price for a small Turkish tea is more than €1, huh?
Yeah.
Very expensive. Kahve. Kahve is coffee, right?
What?
Kahve.
Yeah.
Yeah, so €1, more than €1 for a
Yes.
small Turkish
because 1
tea.
euro is 45 Turkish lira.
Yes.
Yeah, but we are in the Grand Bazaar, so
Sure.
they're also called Grand Bazaar, Grand Prizes.
I'm sure the tea prices were not negotiable. Let's go to the carpet section. This side. this
Oh,
side,
yeah, that's nice. Look at that.
Kilim is body language. I don't know what that means. It was good to see so many people at the same time with their cameras on, recording, just like us.
Look at that shoes. Fancy.
I wonder how much would it cost?
You want to ask?
Nah,
It's priceless.
it's a fancy one.
It's priceless, but the shop is really nice. I really like that. Looks good. Let's just go there. Oh, do we need something for our kitchen? Like a really big plate, not the small one.
How about this as a souvenir?
Oh, that's nice.
How much is this, sir?
150 lira.
150 lira. It's quite
Is
fragile.
it handmade?
Yeah.
Handmade?
Handmade? Oh wow. What's the material?
It's a ceramic.
Ah, ceramic. Okay.
I like the design, this one.
Yeah. And the color would be perfect for our kitchen.
Shall we get it, huh? What do you say?
We will come back because there's also at the bigger ones, you see?
Okay.
And I think it's a nice one to have a set. The big one and the small one. You see? Wow.
Yeah, I think we only
There's,
need
you
a
have also this one.
we only need a decoration piece. Yeah, you're right. You're right. But not the whole set, I guess.
Look at that scarf.
Suits you.
I'm choosing it for my mommy.
Hello.
Hi. How much is this?
A nice thing inside, right?
Ah, okay.
100% cashmere.
Yeah.
Embroidery, silk.
It's handmade.
Yeah, handmade.
Ah, okay.
After handmade.
Ah, okay, half. Okay. And you said 100% cashmere?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's a different color.
Yeah. 1,000 for this.
For this.
Now, but this one, you have to go down.
And what is the price for both of them?
2,300.
No, it's not the last price.
Last price.
No, I'm sure you can do more.
Okay, how about we say 500 for that? Stick with your own guidance. Huh?
No, it's not.
Stick with your own guidance.
It's too expensive.
Okay, but by the end, these are of course not original.
Yeah.
You can have skin irritation as well.
Yes.
So,
Not sure. What is the last price? For both 2,300, you said?
I want to check that one out. Can you? You like it?
It's a nice one. But not if this gentleman is not going down with the price. I'm sure you can do a little bit more.
2,900, 800. But I can do it for you 2,300. So like the 50 euro. 50 euro is not big money.
50 euros is a lot of money. How long you have to work for? You're also working for your money and I'm also working for my money.
But you buy perfume. No.
Different kinds of work.
Different kinds of work, but still.
Nah, I don't like this one. But of course,
But
So
you
we
only can check
are not
inside.
finding the last price?
It's
Really?
Price, not that.
It's no. I'm
Okay, sir.
sure
How about
you can go down.
if we give 500 for this,
You're welcome.
you're welcome.
You're
You're welcome too. Thank you.
See you.
Shall we change our mind?
No,
Huh?
no. We're not changing our mind.
Yeah.
It's not original. It's expensive. It's not worth it.
I'm looking at
And we
it.
are at the Grand Bazaar.
I'm looking at it from a health perspective, skin irritation and all sorts of stuff, right?
Yeah.
So I make you one last good offer for both 1,500. Would that do?
I say no, 2,900. But I can do it for you 2,300. 2,200 I can do it.
Both 1,500. Okay, sir. Let's do it.
2,000. That's my last price.
I'm not in favor of it, but my wife, she wants it, so you know,
2,000.
she's the boss. She said 1,500.
I will get both. You said for both?
He's asking for permission from inside.
I think it's a good deal for him too.
Yeah. Which one was the other one?
Yeah, this one.
It's our first time getting this kind of a.
Getting of
You'll
this.
be done that. You have last one.
This is the last
I
one?
give for another one. If I look inside, you have a one.
No, I mean these two only. Not. Okay.
This is only you have this one. How much?
Okay.
You have the only open one, he said.
So is it okay?
But this one, yeah.
But I'm not buying for that full price. You have to do the.
That's what I guess he's saying.
This one, yeah. The new one.
No, this is too strong. It's really smelling too strong. This is like a
Yeah.
more bloom, like
But
rose.
this
Like.
is last one.
It's the last one.
I give you for another one.
If you listen to me, Masaki,
Yeah.
let's only go for this one.
And what is the price only for this?
1,200.
Both 1,500.
I buy two. But now you say I buy one. This one is last one.
What if we are buying this open one too? What's the last?
1,900.
He said 1,500. He said he's the only one.
I say 2,000.
Sir,
And
you're changing
this
your
is
mind.
the only one and the last one, so you can't even sell that.
I give it for two price. 1,800.
No, 1,800
Okay.
is too much. I only come back because he wants it.
This one you have new.
This one, we give you 750. Last. Only one. All right. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
How much you want to make one?
For both.
No, just one of them.
Both, but this is the last one. He's so good. 1,500.
He said that's okay with him, huh?
Yeah, he said it's okay for him.
Yeah, so that's what. But you really want to have this one? It's the last
It's
piece.
open.
It's open, and I don't know.
What do you think?
Smell it again.
It's different than the mine one. Yes.
Please.
So what you did?
We have to pay the guy, right?
What was the price that you agreed?
1,500.
1,500 for 2 bottles.
Wait.
I think we buy it too expensive.
He ripped us off.
Yeah, he ripped it us
money.
off.
1, 2, 3,
I think
4,
it
5,
was only
6.
worth it for 1,000.
Sorry? What is broken? What is?
I think for back.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much. Yeah. There you go. 1,600, sir. 100, yeah. Anything for the wifey. Happy wife, happy life.
And happy businessman.
I'm not so much in support of that. Thank you very much, sir. It was nice
Thank you
doing
very
business
much.
with you.
And I said on the camera, happy businessman, because it still was expensive and you know that. Have a nice week. So now you're broke.
No, hon, I'm
I
happy.
think you're broke now.
No, I'm happy because my
Really?
wife is happy.
Did you check that he
Yes.
was giving you the right item?
I'm sure he did. Let's not fuss about it, Masaki. I'm sure he did. We know where he is, so. Are you serious? Opening it up on me? My God, just to check, huh?
Just to check, you never know.
Yes, it's okay.
This is the right one, okay. And we have also the other one.
Miss Dior.
Yeah.
Very practical packing, huh?
Yeah, it is.
And the guy was sweet. He said, oh, it's so that it doesn't break or anything. In your luggage. 35 euros or so for 2 bottles of perfume.
Yeah.
Not a bad deal.
Not a big deal, but that's a dupe.
Yeah. So viewers can comment if my wife really lived up to her advice.
Yeah. I think not.
So the guy priced it at the starting price was 1,500.
And no, for
And
both.
the other one was 1,200.
No, for the both of them, he said before that 2,300
Okay.
Turkish lira.
And we ended up paying
1,500. Oh yeah, that's true. I should say maybe 1,000.
Let's go straight on. What are you in the mood for now, hon?
I want
Something to eat.
something to eat or really?
Aren't you hungry?
I'm not that hungry, no. So we are now outside of the Grand Bazaar.
These small alleyways, not so small.
No, it's not small. And there, outside of the Grand Bazaar, there are also so many shops.
The last time I think we were at a section where they had a lot of these dry fruits and all,
Yeah.
the stalls, street vendors lined up just outside the Grand Bazaar.
Yeah.
But somehow I don't see them.
I think it was on the other side. Just have to discover it.
And there was also the mosque and all.
Yes,
So
nearby the
probably we are
mosque.
at the moment at the wrong side. Yes. Hi.
How are you?
Should I help
Thank
you?
you. Yes.
Let me take your umbrella.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Mama, look, we have the fresh flower inside.
Oh no, thank you very much.
This with lotus, with the Turkish baklava and pistachio.
It's everything is sweet, no?
Yes, this is sweet.
Can I
Which
have
one
one
you
more,
try?
please?
Yes,
Can you put in
You
my mouth?
can have my piece. No, I will take a.
we have
The camera?
different types inside.
Maybe you should go for the tea.
Yeah, it's pomegranate.
Be careful. Is it not the eucalyptus?
Do you have the eucalyptus tea?
Yes.
And
Try to see by yourself.
you can put it on there. Thank you. How much is that? Which one is the eucalyptus tea?
Little this. Green tea, ginger, lemon, mint. Also
And how much does it cost?
for 100 gram, 300 dirham. And you know knafe?
That was good.
Are you not?
Enough, sir. Enough. That's it.
He's too foodie. No, thank you very much.
I'm already full now.
We also have the almonds here. What does it cost? 1 kg? 1 kilo?
1,700.
1,700.
Yes.
I told you it's too strong.
It's plain, huh? No sugar, nothing.
Yeah. It's herbal.
But it's supposed to be green, huh?
Yes.
It's green, huh?
You want small or medium box?
I'm thinking.
From Syria.
Syria, okay. Which place? Which place in Syria?
Which place? Damascus.
Damascus. Ah. Oh, congratulations, now it's peace.
And you have made up your mind? Are you taking?
So, how much is this one and how much is that one?
The same price, sir. But this one extra good like Steve ones. Thing. This also people take always this like that.
Okay.
Because it's more herbal.
How much again?
This is price 1 kilogram. You can take small or medium.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot. You're the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. You
Likewise,
too.
thank you.
What do you got?
Yeah, I got some eucalyptus tea.
Yeah.
Although it wasn't my first choice because
Yeah.
it's mixed up with a lot of stuff. Green tea and so much herbs going on in there.
Maybe it
And
is
with
a
a lot of
nice
sugar.
combination.
Yeah, but still happy to get it.
Happy man, happy life.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
These sellers,
Yeah.
I must say they're really good. So they put you in a position wherein
Yes.
you feel obliged to buy.
Yeah.
But I like the guy, so yeah, regardless, even though it's right outside the Grand Bazaar and it's a little bit more expensive than usual, but still.
I think so. It's just because it's really nearby the Grand Bazaar. That's why it's a little bit expensive. But I hope for our viewers to have another price to compare to. A little
That's
bit,
true.
maybe a little bit far away from the Grand Bazaar. So let's see.
I hope so too. But in this weather, things are
Oh,
looking
look at
pretty
that
bad.
rain. Wow. Oh, my shoes.
This is with salt.
Yes. It's also looking nice.
And without salt, please.
Hello.
Hi. Nice. Look at this, hon. I found something that I could bankrupt myself on.
Really?
In combining that with all this fake gold. Yeah, they look good, right?
They're really looking really good. Like first impression, you would not say that it is fake.
Yeah. I wouldn't mind bankrupting myself or
Maybe
you
not.
not. or you not having any mercy on me when it comes to these, I think I found the place, hon.
Yeah?
If we go straight, and then we'll be able to see those stalls and all.
Yeah.
Is he
Oh, yeah.
holding the umbrella for himself or for somebody else?
I don't know.
Thank you. How many steps are you in, hon?
I don't know. I think more than 10,000.
I would say 15, easily.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's the beauty of Istanbul.
You
So
have
much to offer.
Yeah.
The guy was hi-helloing.
Hi, helloing everyone. And I
Okay.
really like that kind of energy of the Turkish people. They're really polite and really full of energy, and they just want to welcome you.
And that's what they say. Whenever you enter their shop or anything,
Yeah.
you're welcome.
Yeah, that's true.
Sound nice.
Maybe it's just because they want to sell something. It's the next question, or are they
Duh.
always like that?
So I think we have reached the destination that you were looking for. Or maybe
I hope so.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's not the case.
Yeah. But it shows same time how big the Grand Bazaar is, you know? I think you need a map.
For tourists like us,
Yeah.
who are here just for a day or two,
Yeah,
yeah, it's quite a lot.
it is.
But we do have our Google Maps and all, right?
Yeah.
It's just that I don't recall the name of the place. But anyways, you should be able to find something here as well.
For sure. That's the entrance we used. Yeah, it is. I think that's exactly the entrance we used. So now I'm hungry too.
Finally, she's hungry. Get to have some food. Yes.
But I think we should grab something, some street food or so.
Yeah?
Not that big, but a small thing.
I'm in the mood for some kebab.
Are you?
Yes. So the idea is to get as far away from the Grand Bazaar as possible.
Yeah.
Needless to say, the prices over there when it comes to food, restaurants, or with anything else.
Yeah. It's really high.
Yeah. But of course, I'm famished.
Oh wow, Hannah, we had a really bad day. It's
Yeah.
raining cat and dogs. You see? Wow,
I wish it could rain some kebab.
and not cat and dogs.
Yes.
It's also this kind of restaurants who
It's full here. It's full here on this side.
making freshly gözleme. Wow. Hello? Yeah.
Hi. You still seem hungry, huh?
I'm still hungry. You're asking a foodie person, so.
Take it easy on the pockets. Definitely a gözleme.
Yeah, I will go for the spinach gözleme.
That's it.
Yeah. And maybe the lentil soup.
Okay. So we'll go for 2 korba. This soup. 2 of them. Yes, please.
It's lentil soup.
Yeah. And then which gözleme you
I
want to
will
go
go
for?
for the spinach gözleme, please.
Spinach.
Yeah.
I'll go with the one with potato.
Yeah, and potato.
Yes.
To check.
And 2 chai.
And
Yes. That's it. Yeah.
pasta.
Thank you so much. How's the soup, hon?
Really good.
It's not so rich, right?
No, but it's still it's okay. You like it? But the soup is not that hot.
No, I'm more excited for the gözleme.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Potatoes is mine, huh? If you don't mind passing it.
Sure?
Of course. Having a gözleme with fork and knife.
You should eat it with your hands. Take it. Use your hands. You're not eating gözleme with fork and knife. Looks good. Delicious. Bon appetit.
Thanks, son. You too.
Enjoy.
You too.
Yes, my gözleme is here. And I have the spinach flavor. So I'm excited. But I'm not done with my soup.
It's not as oily as what we have in our culture, right?
No, it's not.
It's very light. Aloo paratha.
And I'm using my hands for the gözleme.
Smart. Very smart. Yummy. Let me take a little one from yours. One of these, please. Actually, I didn't even need to wash it there. The rain is so strong, I could have just done this.